Chapter 5. A ride in the metro. Learning objectives. 1. Enjoying the ride in the metro. 2. Analyzing how it works in Delhi. Warm up. Trains are an important mode of traveling. It can take people from one city to another in a very short span of time. Let's play the game given below. Follow the pattern given below and draw shapes and color them. Good luck! Are you going for shopping? Not today, Auntie. Today I'm going for a ride on the metro. Simran and Pinku were getting ready to visit their uncle, aunt and cousin Atul. Their uncle and aunt lived in Delhi. Simran and Pinku belonged to a small town called Medinipur. Medinipur has cars, buses, rickshaws and cycles, but the small town does not have the metro services. So, the children were eager to see the metro. Where is the metro, Aunt? See, there it is. Underground, asked Pinku surprisingly. Look, Simran said, a moving stair. It's an escalator, Atul explained. It's safe, Neetu Aunt said. You can hold the handrail and step off in time. Then Neetu Aunt went to the counter to get the tokens. What's our train called? Simran asked, looking around. Metro trains don't have names, Atul told. Then how will we know which train to get into? Pinku asked. Each train has a different colored line on it, Neetu Aunt said as she came back with the tokens. We will take the blue line. Come on. The children followed their aunt to a small gate. Touch your tokens here, said Neetu Aunt. The gate will open for you. But keep your tokens carefully with you. They touched their token on the gate and entered the platform. How beautiful the platform is, Simran said with surprise. Yes, agreed Pinku. So clean too. Here's our train, said Neetu Aunt. Find meaning. Belong. To be a member of something. Eager, ready to do anything. Underground. Under the surface of the ground. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Share your experience when you traveled through the metro for the first time with your classmates. How did you feel? Did you like the ride? Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Write the missing letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Let's play the train game. Instructions are given. Best of luck. Instructions. 1. Print me. Find a pen or pencil. 2. Put a cross on the things you see out of the train window in your journey. 3. The winner will be the one who will have a straight line squares crossed off. Sheep, church steeple, dog, electricity tower, gate, tree, wind turbine, tractor, bird, cow, factory chimney, train station, horse, hay bale, clouds, car, hut, river or lake, bicycle, train engine, bridge, aeroplane, farms, caravan. Logical thinking. If you were Simran and you got the chance to get a ride on the Delhi metro, how would you react? What would you feel? Do you think you would like to ride? Write your answers in your notebook. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Who were getting ready to visit their uncle and aunt? Answer. Pinku and Simran were getting ready to visit their uncle and aunt. B. What is an escalator? Answer. An escalator is a moving stair. C. Who bought the tokens? Answer. Aunt Neetu bought the tokens. D. Did the children enjoy the riding on the metro? Answer. Yes. Pinku and Simran enjoyed the metro ride. Find their meanings. A. Escalator, moving stairs. B. Handrail, a long, narrow bar of metal or rubber that people can hold for support while going up or downstairs. C. Counter, a long, flat surface in a shop or any public place. D. Train, means of transport used to travel from one city or state to another. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. Aunt, are you going for shopping? 2. Simran, not today, auntie. Today we're going for a ride on the metro. 3. Simran, where is the metro, aunt? 4. Aunt, see, there it is. Take the right options. 1. Simran's uncle and aunt lived in A. Kolkata, B. Delhi, C. Chennai. B. Delhi. 2. The children were eager to see the A. Bus, B. Car, C. Metro. C. Metro. 3. The platform was A. Beautiful, B. Clean, C. Both of these. C. Both of these. Match the following. Counter, lift, escalator, logo.